So what we're covering today is quick vibe code. For my applications, I'm looking to introduce an artifact window, which is common through many existing apps like ChatGPT. When you're trying to construct a document, an artifact window will pop up and you'll be able to view and make quick edits and re-edit that artifact. So it has essentially version control, and you're not re-entering a lot of the information that you have there. Started off with a simple PRD. I went through Claude, I gave it my requirements. I was like, okay, we're building a MVP. It's a web application that allows users to interact with AI agents, create, view, and iteratively edit digital artifacts to a conversational interface. Just the standard dual pane interface, real-time artifact generation, interactive editing capabilities, conversational AI integration. Claude went and generated a user experience flow. The technical requirements that I've specified are nextjs. I want to integrate with fast API, and within the background architecture, backend database, I want to integrate langgraph+pydantic for my AI model. And so I simply created a Claude init file with a nextjs standard template. And then what I've done is to analyze and create a Claude MD file, which has all the requirements that are spec'd and which Claude will reference. So I'm using Claude Code because it's currently the best coding setup. I asked Claude to look at the PRD, think about the best way to create a demo MVP, and then created a to-do list. And then it's essentially gone and created a to-do list over here, and I've iterated the fact that I want it to be a minimal viable product. I don't want too complex in terms of integrating langgraph and pydantic workflows as of yet. Ensure that the functionality works. And then Claude's just gone through and started to create a to-do list. It understands the context of the project, and then I've said, all right, let's start creating the project. And now it's just going through, churning through, adjusting the metadata, creating the components. And this is a phase 1 setup feature where now we've got basic Next.js project structure, responsive split plane layout, basic chat UI. Now what I'll do is I'll just create a new terminal, and then let's see what it looks like. And there you go. This is what it's come up with. See, the text is gray. You can't even see it. Basic UI implementation done. Now we shall move on to the phase 2 implementation. Let us continue. And I am using Claude Opus 4. I'll update you as we go along. So a quick update on where our application is at. After phase 1, we went through and carried out phase 2 with Claude Code, enhanced the UI features. Went through phase 3, backend integration. I was just monitoring it because I knew exactly what it was doing. And then we added a WebSocket, implemented basic AI integration with mock LLMs, just to ensure the functionality of the UI UX was consistent. Give you a rundown. This is what's been completed by Claude Code. Create a React component for a user profile. Fully integrated with AI. It took around about another hour with a few bug fixes and iterations. And here you go, user profile card. And now you go create a HTML landing page for my payments app business. There you go. Payee, seamless payments for everyone, accept payments anywhere, everywhere. Look, it's a basic landing page, but I did put Sonnet 3.5 as the model, so it is outdated, but for testing and iteration purposes, it's fine. Yeah, so this is what you can do within an hour, of Claude Code. Stick around for more videos.